This is my MacBook Air from 2013. It's got an Intel Core i5, 4GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. Pretty old, right? But here's the thing, this little machine still has plenty of power left. It just needs the right operating system. Unfortunately, macOS has left these older Intel Macs behind. The latest version I could install was macOS Big Sur, and honestly it runs terribly slow. Even basic stuff like opening Safari feels sluggish. And it gets worse, I couldn't install the latest Google Chrome, and the latest OBS Studio wouldn't even run, and many websites simply don't work properly anymore. Even the ChatGPT page looked completely broken in Safari. Today I'll show you how to install Zorin OS 18 and bring that Mac back to life. It's a friendly Linux system that's fast, modern and perfect for older Macs. One quick note, Wi-Fi might not work right away and even your battery percentage may act strange or fluctuate abnormally in the live session, but don't worry, I'll show you a quick during installation that fixes it. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. You'll need an Intel based Mac like a MacBook Air 2013, or USB flash drive 8GB or larger, internet connection, Zorin OS 18 ISO, Balena Etcher or free tool to create the bootable USB. We need to enable external boot before installing. For older Intel Mac like this 2013 MacBook Air, these Macs usually allow external boot by default, but if you see a firmware password, you need to disable it. For Mac with T2 security chip 2018 and later models, to enable the external boot, we simply need to turn off the power. Then hold Command plus R to boot into recovery. Select Utilities, Startup Security Utility, Authenticate as Administrator, and under the external boot, select Allow booting from external media and then restart. Now let's create the bootable USB. Go to zorin.com and download this free version, Zorin OS Core ISO file. And then go to balena.io and download Balena Etcher for macOS. Open the downloaded Etcher DMG file. Drag Balena Etcher to your application folder. Then open Balena Etcher from Applications. You may need to allow it in System Preferences Security. Plug in your USB drive. In Etcher, click Fresh from File and select Zorin OS ISO you downloaded. Then click Select Target and choose your USB device. Click Flash. You'll need to enter your Mac password. Wait for Etcher to finish writing and verifying. This takes a few minutes. When it says flash complete, you can close Etcher. Shut down your Mac completely. Insert the bootable USB. Power on while holding Option or Alt key. Select EFI boot from the menu. Choose Try or Install Zorin OS when the menu appears. When the desktop loads, we can try before installing Zorin OS, but for now, click Install Zorin OS. Select your keyboard layout. Check the box that says Install third-party software for graphics Wi-Fi hardware. This step also fixes Wi-Fi issues and battery reading problems. Choose Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. If you're an advanced user, you can try manual installation also. Then click on Continue, Review and Confirm. And now select your time zone, enter your name, username, password. Click install and wait about 10 minutes. When finished, click restart now. Remove the USB when prompted and press enter. Once you log in, you'll notice your Mac feels much faster and more responsive. Wi-Fi should work right away because we installed those third-party drivers. Screen brightness controls work, the trackpad and keyboard light work well, and modern websites load properly. Your old Mac now has a fresh, usable life again. And that's it. You just revived your old Mac with Zorin OS 18. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.